business, new business. Approval of best lowest bid for HVAC project for Jim Mason. Been recommended to Norwell Company Incorporated at a total of $3,969,690. And it's from ESSER 3 fund. And this is from for HVAC in the gymnasiums that currently do not have heating. We did receive 2 bids, and Norwell was the cheaper by about $20,000. Mr. Bryson, this would be your recommendation.
Yes, sir.
Do you feel comfortable with one company with all the work that needs to be done? Are they going to structure this? Are they going to do it all in-house with their own employees, or are they going to contract someone?
The only thing that's subcontracted, which is noted on the envelope, is masonry and electrical, and the rest of it will be done by one from Norwell.
Okay, it's before the board for approval.
That should affect 10 schools. Yeah. That's all 3 middle schools. Bulls Gap, which is also a middle school, I guess, it's K-8. And then all the elementary schools that currently do not have air, which there's only 2 that do, which is JRP and Mount Carmel.
Church and Middle School,
Yes,
that gymnasium has no air,
exhaust fans only, yes.
but it's still a new roof.
Yes, this will not affect the roof, they can't put it on the roof. Most of these will be ground units, much like it's at the 2 high schools now, at Volunteer and Cherokee, where you'll have an outside unit, you'll have a duct going up the outside, and then it'll go through the wall into a duct socket.
And into the metal framework for the roof.
Well, it'll be a duct sock, just like that's at Volunteer and Cherokee.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, the nylon duct socks.
Okay. Do you know if Norwell is going to sub some of this stuff out, or is it?
Like I said, the only thing that they're not doing in-house is masonry, and that's a requirement by the state licensing agency. If you're going to use a subcontractor that's over $50,000, it has to be listed on the envelope.
Okay. I'm just trying to confirm that, let's say we've got 10 schools that have to be done by, what's the end date?
The end date's July 2024. June 30th. June 30th, 2024. I can't get that.
Did not have that extra day.
But I just want to confirm that Norwell.
What our plan is, because none of these are going to come in at the same time. I mean, we're getting air conditioning units at separate times. As soon as they're manufactured and they're shipped, that's the school we're going to be working on. I can't even give you a schedule right now. So as soon as they roll in, we're not going to leave them sitting there and then do them all at once. As soon as the equipment rolls in for whichever school that may be, that's where we're going to go to.
I'll make that motion to accept the bid from Norwell.
We have a motion, we have a second. No further discussion, all in favor say aye. Any opposed? Norwell is approved. This is good news for our citizens getting that done. Item D, under new business, approval of budget amendments. Number 1. Federal Projects Fund, literacy training, teacher stipend, grant, amendment number 2. We have a motion? We have a second. Any further discussion? If none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Opposed, it is approved. Item C, approval of overnight and out-of-state field trips. We've got 2 of them. I can read this. We have a motion?
Second.
We have a second. All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? That is approved.